Hi, my name is Dr. Marion.
And I'm Dr. Tracy Latz.
Welcome to our fourth shift class for vibrational medicine. Today we're going to talk about the heart chakra.
The heart chakra is located in the center of your chest, mid-nipple level, whether you're male or female, right here in the center. It's where we tend to just place our hands when we think about someone that we love.
And when do we need vibrational medicine for the heart chakra? Well, when you're feeling heartache, a lack of self-love, jealousy,
Disappointment, grief.
any kind of heartache that's associated with the heart chakra causes a discordant energy in your body. And when you have discordant energy in any one of your 7 chakras, you have energy blocks. And these energy blocks can manifest as pain, or just blocks that build up over time and can eventually cause heart attacks,
Heart disease,
high blood pressure, strokes.
sometimes lung issues can also be affected here in the heart chakra, the lower part of the lung, the lower lobes.
Right, so it's very, very important that you keep your heart healthy. And we write about this in our books, Shift, the 12 Keys to Shift Your Life, and Shift, A Woman's Guide to Transformation. The color of the heart chakra is emerald green. Tracy's wearing green today.
The alternate color
Is pink. And how do we use silk scarves to heal? Well, it could be a 2 or 3 day class to explain it. But generally, if you put a silk material over your heart chakra, it'll help soothe it. And if you have pink, pink is good on any chakra. Pink
Now,
brings love.
green is interesting. If you have no other major health issues in terms of infections or cancer, you can use green over your heart. However, green also is for growth as well as for healing, and we tend to not use emerald green for healing capabilities if someone has a history of breast cancer,
Or any kind
lung
of
cancer,
any kind of tumor whatsoever.
or any bacterial infection of the lungs. So pink is always a safe alternative color to go to in any chakra for any condition, because it is the color for unconditional love and acceptance.
Another way of clearing our heart chakra is through vibration. What kind of vibration are we talking about here? Tuning forks.
This tuning fork resonates to F. It's tuned to the key of F, which is the tune or the musical note for the heart chakra.
You know, when people are stressed out, sometimes they go, ah! That's the sound of the heart chakra.
Ah, as in
Ah.
father. So together?
We're going to do this to sort of the tone of ah. Our hearts seem to be in good shape. If they weren't, we would never get that kind of resonance. With a tuning fork, if you put it over the heart, let's just do this quickly, and you can hear that it is very resonant. And this is a great way of tuning up your heart.
And who doesn't need their heart tuned up? Because how many of us not only have big heartaches, most of us think of the big ones like loss of job, loss of loved one, loss of relationship, but there are small heartaches that we face. Disappointments of, I didn't do as well as I wanted to on the test. I didn't make the stoplight. It changed and turned red before I got there.
Every day it adds up. You need to clear your heart. It's like taking a shower. You've got to really address all of your issues at the end of every day, clear out your heart chakra, and start over the next day. It's so important to heal the heart, whether it's through vibrational medicine, meditation, tapping, other techniques we teach in our books. The heart is the number 1 priority.
And yet it's so easy to heal, unlike what people think. People think my heart is broken and it will never be the same again. The heart is never actually truly broken. We can heal it.
Just by wearing colors on a daily basis.
Aromatherapy, again, Aroma or scent triggers areas in the brain, the limbic system, that helps to put us in a higher vibration of mood, gets us out of sadness, gets us out of grief, and gets us much more into those feel-good hormones in our body and the body chemistry.
And often all it takes is a whiff. This is Orasoma therapy. This is a very famous brand, and very often, I used to hate this color. It's color pink, because I needed it so much. And it's only after smelling it a lot and working with pink and other vibrational medicine that I came to really love it. So very often, if you're sniffing a particular color that you need and you don't like it, keep sniffing because you really need it.
Essence of rose oil, helps reset the vibration of the heart chakra. You can either smell it or you can rub it on the heart chakra area. Rose, because it tends to be a longer lasting aromatherapy scent or oil or essential oil or essence, it tends to, if you just take a small bit of it, you can almost put it on as perfume, and it will work on your heart chakra all day long. And yes, guys, you do smell good when you have rose oil around you.
And if you don't think you do, other essential oils that ease heartache and calm the circulatory system when you have tightness or palpitations are angelica, marjoram, hyssop, lavender, neroli, melissa, rose, chamomile, yang yang, and jasmine. You have a lot of different choices, guys. Also, if you're really stressed out and you're feeling rejected, jealous, this kind of fear can cause a tightening of the chest. Other essential oils: eucalyptus, cachaput, peppermint, rosemary, rose, chamomile, marjoram, sandalwood, frankincense, and hyssop. So there are so many varieties of oils we can use, or combinations. Everyone is different, and in every different situation something will work better than another. So test them out and find out for yourself.
Get into your heart, and that will reset your heart chakra as well. Just picture someone in your mind that you have a great love for, that has a great love for you. And as you close your eyes, you can feel that warmth or fullness in your heart. It resets that vibration.
And if you want an immediate healing, close your eyes, relax, and listen to this bowl.
Feel that in my heart.
Me too.
So we hope that you enjoyed these healing techniques for the heart. Join us next time when Shift Your Life authors, Marion and Tracy, take you through the throat chakra, our creative expression.
And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at info@12keystoShift.com. Thanks very much. Our heartfelt thanks to you for listening.
Or visit our website at www.12keystoShift.com. Thank you.